I'm here to discuss solving system of nonlinear equation by elimination. And this is our equation. X plus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals to 1. X plus 2 squared plus y equal to 3. And the first thing we do is copy this equation. X plus 2 squared plus y equal to 3. And we're gonna multiply it by negative 1 both sides. Pagtapos nun is meron na tayo neto. X plus 2 squared minus y equal to negative 3. And as you can see, meron silang similar sign, so we use subtraction to eliminate this one. And meron na lang tayong natitira na y minus 2 squared equal to 1 minus negative y equal to negative 3. And the first thing we do is we're gonna expand this one. Y times y equal to y squared. Negative 2y times 2 equal to negative 4y. Negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4. And copy. And we're solved. As you can see, wala siyang similar term, so bring down. Negative 4y minus negative y equal to negative 5y. And wala din siyang similar term, so bring down. Y minus negative 3 is equal to negative 2. And pupunta natin yung negative 2 sa left. Now, as you can see, negative times negative equal to positive. Pag sinolve na natin siya is meron na tayo ng equation na y squared minus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. Now, mag-isip tayo ng 2 number na kapag inad is equal to negative 5. And pag minultiply is equal to positive 6. And those 2 number is equal to negative 3 and negative 2. And that's our answer. And we're gonna use this equation, yung sa taas, x plus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals to 1. And we're gonna solve. And meron na tayong value ng y, so we're gonna solve na lang tayo. 3 minus 2 squared equals to 1. And 3 minus 2 equal to 1. And we're gonna move 1 to the left, so that's our equation. And pag sinolve na natin to is equivalent lang to sa 0. So, ito na lang yung matitira. So, we're gonna expand this one. X times x equal to x squared. 2x times 2 equal to 4x. 2 times 2 equal to positive 4. Now, mag-isip ulit tayo ng 2 number na kapag inad is equal to positive 4. And pag minultiply is equal to positive 4. Now, those 2 number is positive 2, positive 2. And our answer for y equals to 3 is negative 2, 3. And if our y is equal to 2, we're gonna use the same process, but our y is equal to 2. So, ito lang yung magbabago. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So, move natin to and change the sign. So, this is our equation. X plus 2 squared plus negative 1 equal to 0. And we're gonna expand this one ulit. X times x equal to x squared. 2x times 2 is equal to 4x. 2 times 2 is equal to positive 4. And copy these two. Then we're gonna solve. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And meron na tayo ng equation na x squared plus 4x plus 3. And mag-isip ulit tayo ng 2 number na kapag inad is equal to positive 4. And pag minultiply is equal to positive 4. And that's 3 and 1. And we have the answer is x equal to negative 3 and x equal to negative 1. We have to answer for y equals to 2. Negative 3, 2. And negative 1, positive 2. Then that's all. Thank you.